Hi friends, Tina did it here, and welcome back to my channel. I can't believe we're in 2022 already, and before we know it, it's going to be Valentine's Day soon. So I'm going to give you guys a Valentine gift idea, or this could be also used as a decor or centerpiece. So if you want to see how I made this using all Dollar Tree items, just keep on watching. And bear with me, I am kind of sick, so yeah, just hang in there. But let's get started. To do this project, you're going to need 2 wooden trays. I did pick these up from Michael's. I believe each one was around 99 cents. But if you can't find these at Michael's, you could use any tray from Dollar Tree. I do like the ones from Michael's though, because they are kind of like angled out. And I'm going to peel the tag off and I'm going to go ahead and paint them. And of course, you can paint these any color you'd like, but as for me, I'm going to go in with this Snow White by Apple Barrel, and I'm going to paint the entire thing inside and out. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out on videos like this one. Once the 2 wooden trays are dry, I'm going to go in with this candle holder from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue it in the center using E6000. So I'm going to go in with the glue around the bottom of the candle holder, and I'm going to place it in the center of the tray. Just be sure it is in the middle. You could also test it out maybe with a quarter or a coin, making sure that it's even from all sides. And yeah, and just let it dry because E6000 does take a while to seal. So be sure to leave it for a few hours. Now this part is optional, but I'm going to go in with those acrylic gems from Dollar Tree. I'm going in with the red and the pink, but you could always put pearls or you can just leave it empty. But I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to apply some E6000 onto the rim of the candle holder and glue on top the wooden tray, just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue and place the tray and leave it for a few hours to completely dry. Once it's dry, here's the fun part. We're going to decorate it now. I'm going to go in with 2 wooden stickers that I've painted white already, and I'm going to glue one on each side of the tray on the top here. You can go in with twine if you'd like. You can go in with more of those acrylic gems if you'd like, but I'm just trying to keep it a little simple, and I'm just going to put 1 heart on each end, and I'm going to place a teddy bear on top and the chocolate, and the foam hearts will be on the bottom. By the way, I forgot to mention at the end of this video, I will have like a slideshow of previous Valentine gift ideas that I've made and decor, and I will put the link down to each one down in the description, so you can definitely check those out. So be sure to stay tuned till the end of the video so you can see all of the previous Valentine projects that I've done in the past. Now here, you can place your chocolate 2 ways. You can go ahead and place your foam hearts onto one side and the other side will be chocolate, or even you can add roses down there. But my niece had an awesome idea, and I actually prefer it that way, where we laid down the foam hearts onto the bottom and the chocolate just sat on top of the hearts. So I prefer it that way better, but you can definitely play around and make it the way you like it. But yeah, so that's it for that project. It was definitely easy to make, and you have to give it a try. And remember, this doesn't have to be a gift. It could also be made in a centerpiece or even in a baby shower centerpiece. I can totally see this going along with the theme. But let me know what you think down in the comments. You know, I'd love to hear from you, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you all next time. Bye!